Hello, this is Kanosis. As part of the table saw upgrade, I'm trying to expand my table saw's left surface plate. If possible, I'll make it fold and unfold automatically. It's a switch that turns on and off the dust collector and a two-way switch I installed separately. The box in this part is where the air cylinder and switch will be installed, so let's design the size accurately. Cut and assemble the box. It's a different topic, but the earth is very sick. It's too hot in my country, Korea. It's hard to hold out without shorts. Eventually, will a men's bikini come out? I'm really quite worried. I put in a piece in a new way. This way it's very good. To mount the box to the body of the table saw, attach the wings. I'm going to make a hole here and bolt it. Remove the hinges that were present for conventional plastic fixation. The green tape that was attached for complete sealing is messy. I positioned the box and marked the place of the hole. After drilling with a 4.5mm drill, it was threaded with a 5mm tap drill bit. If the bolt is fitted correctly, I feel very good. It's still before I clean up the wires, so the wires are all over the place. Using the holes on the side of the table saw, attach the wood to install the hinges. I want to secure it strongly with a bolt. To prevent it from sticking out, chisel out the part where the hexagonal bolt head will fit. The point is to dig a little small so that you can beat it with a hammer. It is strongly secured with bolts and pieces. The hinges are cut to size. It is recommended to use this long straight hinge as a folding part. Set the size of the extension plate and install the hinge. At this time, the lift that can be adjusted in height plays a big role. I think it would be good for you to prepare some of these lifts. I worked carefully to ensure that the extension could be accurately folded. Among the air cylinders, the one with a moving structure was selected. This is the pliers used to pull out the snap ring. It's a useful tool. Create a structure to hold the bottom of the cylinder. It will be installed in the box I attached. This structure will hold the top of the cylinder. I use pieces of aluminum that have been collected. The ring of the cylinder is too big, so I cut it with a lathe and made it thin. I have attached the wood to support the extension. It evenly distributes the power. Finally, the lower fixing structure was made larger, and the upper fixing part was fitted with a washer to reduce the gap. It is a manual switch that will operate the air cylinder. When I connected the airline and tested it, it moved smoothly and well. Install the cylinder lower and upper fixing parts. When the cylinder is fully ejected, it is important that the extension plate remains fully level. Make a structure to fix the air switch. It will be fixed to the top of the box I installed. The two-way switch, dust collector switch, table saw switch, and air switch are all gathered in one place for easy switching. Connect the airline to the cylinder. Using a speed adjustment connector, the adjustment was made at an optimal speed. Round was made at the corners with bearing bits on the extension plate. If we use curves in a work, it definitely makes the work more attractive to look at. It is also very important to find an appropriate R value. It's finally finished. The switch folds the extension plate comfortably and the horizontal fits accurately. The finish of the work is always a fireprint logo. It's like a period in a sentence. I'm continuing to upgrade my table saw. Only with this table saw equipment, I think I've already upgraded more than 5 places. I made an extension plate that folds manually in the past, but I've experienced that I haven't used it well because it's tiresome, so I made it move automatically. I'm still trying to upgrade some parts, so please watch how far my table saw evolves. I hope it's a work that can be helpful to you. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and like it. Thank you.